Good morning, students. As you know that I have started with the chapter number 7, conservation of the plants and animals. Okay, in the last video we have seen about the learning outcomes of the chapter. Okay, which topics we have to see in this chapter. Okay, the chapter is totally beta based on the plants and the animals that how we have to conserve them. Yes, in that video I have told you that it is not a responsibility of only of the that person who are having their reserves, who are having their national parks, but it is a responsibility of each and every citizen and even of the government to protect the uh, plants and as well as animals. Plants को और animals को protect करने की responsibility हम सबकी है. It is responsibility of all because it is not like that कि the persons who are taking care of the animals that only means they are only using all the things which they are from the plants and animals. We all are using the things from the plants and animals, so it is our duty to protect them. ये हमारी duty है कि हम उनको protect करें बेटा. Okay. So in the last video, the learning outcomes you have seen that so many learning outcomes are there. So from first today I'm going to start. The first one was deforestation and its causes. This deforestation word you have heard many times from your lower grades only, like from fifth and sixth only, and about you also know the effect for the same. ठीक है, आपको उसके इफेक्ट भी पता है बेटा कि क्या डिफोरेस्टेशन के इफेक्ट होते हैं, but still we people are not understanding the bad effect, the adverse effects of the deforestation. That's why you know कि government has declared the two some the special days कि on that day we have to do the plantation day होता है, world water day होता है बेटा, to create the awareness why they have kept this day, why they are celebrating this day beta, to create the awareness in the mind of people कि yes, all these natural resources are very much important for us and without these natural resources it is impossible for us to survive on the earth. Okay, so let's see about the deforestation and the causes. First of all, what is the meaning of deforestation? Yes, deforestation means cutting down of trees or cleaning of the forest. Trees को cut करते जाना और forest को clean करते जाना उसको बोलते हैं हम deforestation. A great variety of the plants and animals exist on the earth, that we know कि बहुत सारे number of the plants and number of animals are there exist on the earth, but because of us, because of human activities, the number of that same animals and plants are decreasing day by day. धीरे धीरे वो कम होते जा रहे हैं. They are essential for the well-being and the survival of the mankind. Human being के लिए बहुत essential है, means बहुत important है. Today a major threat to survival of these organisms is deforestation. अब deforestation होता जा रहा है तो it is not possible for the animals also to live, to survive. We know that deforestation means clearing of forest and using that land for other purposes. We are cutting down the trees and we are using that same land for the other purposes for our selfish reasons only. Trees in the forest area are cut for the purpose which are I am going to tell you now. The procuring land for the cultivation. For the cultivation, we are cutting down the trees, building houses and the factories, making furniture or using wood as the fuel. Furniture बनाने के लिए हम wood use कर सकते हैं और या तो उसमें से fuel बनता है. Some natural causes of the deforestation are the forest fire and the droughts. नेचुरल कैलामिटीज जो हो सकती है, या तो बहुत फॉरेस्ट फायर हो जाए तो सारे डिस्ट्रॉय डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो जाएगा, या तो ड्रॉट यानी सूखा पड़ जाएगा तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन होगा. एंड द थ्री रीजंस व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड यू प्रायर दैट फर्स्ट वन वाज लैंड फॉर द कल्टीवेशन, second was the for making houses and the factories, and the third one was the making furniture or using wood as fuel. उसमें से फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए वुड और उसमें से फ्यूल लेना. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द डिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड इट कॉसेस कि हम लोग डिफॉरेस्टेशन कैसे हम करते हैं और नेचुरल से कैसे होता है. नाउ डिफॉरेस्टेशन वी हैव डन, इट्स ओके. नाउ यू आर थिंकिंग सर व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, इट्स ओके. Now we have to see na beta some of the consequences of the deforestation. What are the bad effect for the same? So let's see about the consequences of the deforestation. Paheli and Bujo recalled at the consequences of the deforestation. They remembered that the deforestation causes the temperature and the pollution level on the earth. Pollution level or temperature बहुत बढ़ जाएगा. It increased the level of the CO2, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Here we are cutting down the trees. Why the level of CO2 is increasing? यहाँ पर तो बेटा हम लोग ट्रीज कट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर ये CO2 की जो लेवल है वो क्यों कम हो जा रही है बेटा? बिकॉज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस विच वी आर रिलीजिंग, जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस हम लोग बेटा रिलीज करते हैं, तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस कौन ऑब्जर्व करता है? हु इज ऑब्जर्विंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस? यस, ओनली प्लांट्स आर ऑब्जर्विंग। ठीक है, प्लांट्स ऑब्जर्व करते हैं CO2। नाउ प्लांट्स आर नॉट देयर इन द एटमोस्फियर, देन हु विल ऑब्जर्व CO2? We people only again. So if the level of carbon dioxide will increase in the atmosphere also, ठीक है, then it will lead to the global warming. Global warming हो जाएगा. Now we have heard that there is a small hole in the ozone layer. अब now what is the ozone layer? This is the layer which protect us from the uh, harmful radiations of the sun. जो हमारे अर्थ और सन के जो बीच में एक ओजोन लेयर बनी हुई है बेटा, वो हमको प्रोटेक्ट करती है हार्मफुल रेडिएशन के सन से। ठीक है, so now on and that ozone layer also hole is also there because of the increasing of population. Ground water level also gets lowered, जो ground water का absorption है वो भी धीरे धीरे कम हो जाएगा। why? Because the roots अगर होते बेटा वहां पर तो क्या करते, पानी को ऑब्जर्व करते, and slowly that water goes into the ground and ground water also gets recharged. But here the trees are not there, then who will absorb the water? So the groundwater level also get lowered. They know the deforestation disturbs the balance in the nature. We know कि if we will do deforestation, it disturbs the balance. The totally balance जो है nature में disturb हो जाएगा. They were told by the Professor Ahmed that if tree cutting of trees continues, rainfall and the fertility of the soil will decrease. अगर बेटा इसी तरह कंटिन्यू रहा तो रेनफॉल है, जो सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी है वो बिल्कुल कम होती जाएगी। Moreover, there will be increased chances of the natural calamities such as flood and the drought. फिर नेचुरल कैलामिटी की चांसेस भी जो है बेटा वो बढ़ जाएगी, जैसे फ्लड है और ड्रॉट है। ठीक है, ड्रॉट क्यों हो जाएगा? बिकॉज पूरा सूखा पड़ जाएगा। फ्लड क्यों आ जाएगी? बिकॉज ट्रीज होंगे नहीं, पानी ऑब्जर्व कोई करेगा नहीं, तो पानी कंटिन्यू बहता रहेगा तो वो फ्लड यानी बाढ़ आ जाएगी। Recall that plants need carbon dioxide for the process of, yes, photosynthesis. Fewer trees would mean that they take less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in it increased in the atmosphere. Atmosphere में CO2 बेटा increase होता ही जा रहा है because as we are cutting down the trees. So if the CO2 level will increase, this will lead to the global warming. Okay. Global warming as carbon dioxide traps the rays are reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth, जो टेम्परेचर बेटा इंक्रीज होता जाएगा अर्थ पर, द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ डिस्टर्ब्स द वाटर साइकिल पूरी डिस्टर्ब करेगा एंड मे रिड्यूस रेनफॉल। जो वाटर साइकिल है पूरी वो भी डिस्टर्ब होगी और रेनफॉल प्रॉपर नहीं होगा। दिस कुड कॉज व्हाट? ड्रॉट। इससे क्या होगा? ड्रॉट आ जाएगा, मीन सूखा पड़ जाएगा बेटा। सो हियर टोटली वी हैव सीन द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस। किस किस को लॉस हो रहा है बेटा? डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली लॉस हमको ही हो रहा है बेटा। फ्लड आएगा, वी हैव टू सफर। ड्रॉट्स आएगा, वी हैव टू सफर। CO2 का लेवल इंक्रीज होगा, वी हैव टू सफर। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होगा, वी हैव टू सफर। इन ईच एंड एवरी केस वी have to suffer only because it's our mistake only that we are cutting down the trees. ये हमारी मिस्टेक है कि हम लोग ट्रीज को कट करते जा रहे हैं बेटा। So at last I want to say that only कि don't cut the trees बेटा। जितने हो सके हमको ट्रीज को सेव करना चाहिए, नहीं तो फ्यूचर में only we have to suffer the problem. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to change in the soil properties. Physical property of the soil get affected by the plantation and the vegetation. Recall from the by plantation vegetation prevents soil erosion. And you know about the soil erosion? Yes, soil का खराब हो जाना, soil eroded हो जाना। अब soil कैसे होती है eroded बेटा? Soil erosion means the removal of the top layer of the soil. जो soil की top layer होती है बेटा, ऊपर वाली layer, that is known as the best soil for growing the plants on that top soil because it has almost all kind of nutrients and it is lot of homes present which a plant require. उसमें सारे nutrients होते हैं जो plants को चाहिए और homes अच्छा present होता है जिससे plants की growth proper होती है. So topsoil is known as the best soil, but if plants will not be there on that, so what will happen? The topsoil gets removed by the heavy wind. जोर से अगर हवा लगेगी, with a heavy rainfall, so what will happen, the topmost layer of the that soil will get replenished. जो topmost layer होगी वो वहां से हट जाएगी, तो क्या होगा, सॉइल इरोजन, सॉइल इरोड हो जाएगी, इनफर्टिलिटी हो जाएगी बेटा। नाउ उस सॉइल में हम कुछ ग्रो नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट हैज लॉस्ट ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स उसके लॉस्ट हो गए। बट इफ यू वांट टू कंट्रोल, इफ यू वांट टू प्रिवेंट द सॉइल इरोजन, we are having the option, we have to grow the more and more plants, because if you will grow the plants on the soil, so what the plants will do, they will, उसकी जो roots होगी वो soil को पकड़ के रखेगी। अगर soil पकड़ी हुई होगी बेटा तो वहां से soil उड़ेगी नहीं, वो प्रॉपर वाटर भी ऑब्जर्व कर पाएंगी, ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल भी इंक्रीज होगा और हमारी सॉइल भी इरोडेड नहीं होगी। Okay, so this was about the deforestation, why we are doing deforestation, and what are the bad effect on the life of human beings of the deforestation. So at last, I want to tell that what we have to do, grow more and more trees. It will give benefit to us only. So in the next video, we will start about the conservation of the forest and the biodiversity. So up to that, if you are having any kind of doubt in this video, you can ask from me on the online session. Thank you and have a nice day.